alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's lesson, we will be learning about the conditions of Salah. Now, what is conditions of Salah? Conditions of Salah are those aspects which we have to check that we have before we read Salah. So we have to check that our clothes are clean. We have to make sure that our body is clean. And we have to make sure that the place we are reading Salah is clean. So, when we are checking our clothes, we have to make sure that there is no dirt or no najasat on our clothing. We have to make sure our body is clean. That includes having made wudu. And we have to make sure that the place that we are reading or the carpet that we are reading to, that we are going to use to read Salah is clean. We have to make sure that it is the correct time for Salah. We remember that we can only read Salah when the time sets in, or we have to make sure that for that specific Salah it is the correct time. We have to make sure that we read the correct niyyah. So what is our niyyah? Our niyyah is our intention for Salah. So if it's Fajr time, we have to make sure that we are saying that it's Fajr time, or however many rakats we are reading. So if we're reading 2 rakats, Fard of Fajr, we have to specify that, and we have to make sure that we are facing the correct Qibla. So in order to read Salah, we have to make sure we face the correct Qibla. And the last and final thing that we have to check is that our awrah is covered. Now, what is an awrah? Our awrah is that part of our body that cannot be exposed to other people in public. So for males, the awrah is from above the navel to below the knee. For a female, the awrah is from your head to your feet, but it will exclude, that means it does not include your face, your hands, and your feet. So when we're reading Salah, we have to make sure that those parts of our body are closed or covered in order for our Salah to be valid. If any of these points are not met, for example, if it's not the correct time, then our Salah will be invalid. So we have to make sure that all of these 7 points are met before we start reading Salah. So we have to make sure that our clothes are clean, our body is clean, and the place we are reading Salah is clean. We have to make sure that it's the correct time for the specific Salah. We have to make sure that we made the correct niyyah for the Salah, and we have to make sure that the Qibla we are facing is correct. And lastly, we have to make sure that our awrah is covered. Like we said, our awrah is that part of the body which should not be exposed to anybody or in public. And for males, it is from your navel, above your navel to below your knee. For a female, from your head to your feet, excluding your face, hands, and feet. Right, so those are the conditions. We have to make sure these conditions are met before we read Salah. In our next lesson, inshallah, we will do the faraid of Salah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
As reference, I am using the Kitab Fiqhul Islam Book 2, which is available from the Naneja Muslim Association.